Hello, lovers of all things that move.
Yes.
We are at the Boeing Future of Flight
Yes,
Museum.
we are.
We're outside Seattle. Of course it's raining because it's supposed to be
It's
raining.
supposed to be rain.
But we're excited.
We can't believe it.
Something taken off. We heard
Yeah.
it. How many companies have like their own airstrip or their own airport right behind it?
So nice.
We're pretty excited. We don't know how much we can film inside.
Yeah, I don't think we're
We're gonna try, but I think there's a museum, and then there's like a secret
Yeah.
like thing that we get to see the 777 being built.
Yeah, we can tell.
And it does say online there's no phones allowed.
Yeah,
for
no
that,
videos.
so- but we'll still share our impressions and our ideas.
Yes, and there it is, the future of flight. Let's see, we'll let you know more in a few minutes. Alright, well, after that incredible tour, now we're gonna walk around here, right? So, yeah.
Was it an incredible tour? Yes, it was.
Yes.
We got to go on a bus
Yeah.
over to the factory.
Not the Airbus, the bus that takes you to the
bus.
factory.
The bus that
When
takes you to
Boeing,
the factory,
yeah.
the Boeing factory. And we got to see them putting together all the 737s. They got 600s, they got
no,
767s,
seven. No,
767s.
And 777X.
And, yeah.
That's what we got to see. They're
But
not
no
even approved.
747s
No.
because they've been gone for 3 years. Still my favorite airplane though.
Yeah. The future of flight, that's what it's called. Look at that supersonic over there. All right, let's see what we're finding here. Oh, we can get up and close over there. You can see the planes all sitting here, the ones that are ready for delivery. That someday a company wants to buy them, they can paint and put their logo on, and they'll look nice and pretty. There it is. That's what we saw today.
The 777X.
7X, the new generation. The
They
one
got about 5 already made and ready to go, but they're still waiting on FDA
approvals. Yeah, and they're not actually approved to fly. We said the feature of this plane is the wing, how long it is, and it can fold over there in the end. If I zoom in there, you can see the wings actually be able to fold, and they're made of a light material. You said 25% more significant, right, than what it is now. So that's gonna be the future now, coming up with a big engine. Soon we'll be inside one of those planes.
Now,
Here
I
it
do
is.
have a question though. My question is, they don't talk about this too much, but who manufactures and makes the seats? Because I want larger, more comfortable seats, even in economy.
Yeah, that needs
I
to
know
improve.
it can be done, but will it?
And you're right in front of a 747 back wing. Look at it, how big it is. And right here we saw this plane in the tour today. This is called the Dreamlifter. They only have 4 of these guys. This is actually a 747 they repurposed for freight. And here it is. You get to see the plane now up and close. Looks like they're doing some maintenance, keeping them running. There is also no engines. They told us in the factory that they have those little yellow things under where the engine's supposed to go to balance the weight. It's up to 4,000 tons, each one of those things. The yellow box. So pretty cool. Very, very cool. So autonomous vehicles, look at that. It can bring you a taxi. It can bring you around town. It's pretty cool. There it is. The chairs are so thin though. They need to improve that.
Yeah.
Like that looks like almost no cushion at all. And it's a quick like run around, but I don't know. A closed version here. Alright, let's go inside the Destiny entrance module. So this is the Destiny module. How does it feel? Please do not touch. Wow. Now inside a lab. Tons of buttons everywhere. Oh my god. So you would feel like you are in space. Can you imagine? The only difference, I'll be floating right now. So now I'm gonna visit a sky deck. Oh, it's actually open. It really is a sky deck. So you can see planes from up here. Oh, so you get a full view of all the planes. How cool. So you get to see the factory, the planes that are ready for delivery up there. You can see some companies already got their logos on. So looks like a Lufthansa. And here you get to see the other planes that we just saw from downstairs.
These are all the new ones.
Yeah, they're green because, oh yeah, this is actually the 777X. See the wing?
That's right.
It's folded to the top, so they already have a few ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We saw another half a dozen being built in the factory and more on the assembly line. So hopefully the FAA regulations will allow them to be flying very soon. We heard some planes taking off earlier, so I don't know now if we get lucky.
Look, there's a bunch more down there.
Yeah. We did see a bird flying by. And there was the Dreamlifter all the way down there. Let's see what we can see. We actually went in toward those factories down there. So this is what we did. So there's, I guess you could see Mount Baker. You can see the train yard, which is down there somewhere. The average assembly plant. That's where we went, somewhere in there. The paint hangars, we did pass by. We saw a plane being painted. The delivery center, where you see the planes all painted down there. See, I think I can see a Lufthansa. Yeah, so they're being painted down there. This is the Dreamliner that we saw. The Dreamlifter, not a Dreamliner. Dreamlifter. And then we have the air traffic controller down there. There it is. And on a nice day you would be able to see Mount Rainier, but clearly not a good day today. It's out that way there.
Yeah.
You can't see today. So you guys didn't get to go inside the factory, but we went in. I mean, the factory, it kind of is whatever you see on the picture is what you're able to see. They bring you up on the second deck, and you can see the planes, the assembly area, and then they talk about it a little bit, and you know you can watch over there. So pretty good, and you get to walk around, and you do the bus tour a little closer to these areas, so you get to see things a little bit closer. So overall, very cool experience.
Check out one more thing over here. There's some other information about how to spot certain aircraft.
So let's see.
Look, how to spot a 777X. Has very long wings with tips that fold upwards only when it's on the ground, I guess, for clearance.
How to spot a 767. So this one sounds like a pen, remember they said?
Yeah.
In the back looks like a ballpoint pen. Here's the KC-46. We saw one of these. And I just showed the Dreamlifter. I don't think we're going to be seeing this very often. As if in the airport. And then the Boeing 747. How could you not spot that?
But this one actually for a freighter because it has no windows for passengers.
Yeah. But you can see that
All
hump
freight.
is distinct. Do they still? I heard that Lufthansa was still flying the 747 until last year, so I don't know if they're still doing the passenger trip. So we have to check it out.
awesome.
Cool. Let's get a little view of the lobby before we go. Everything is big, like it's so tall, all the ceilings. I think they want to keep feeling like a plane's gonna come in any minute inside of one of these places.